ultimate in success, blessed love, kings and queens. In the next few minutes, we're going to discuss exactly how to be successful and set goals. If you're new at setting goals, pay attention, strap on your seatbelts. We're going to go over the SMART formula. This is amazing science to get a specific target. Without a target, you're really just throwing arrows without a bullseye. Get your bullseye. Be specific. As specific as you can get about your goal for the S in SMART. Make it measurable. So when I say specific and measurable, giving a specific date and a specific amount, what are you going to do? We're going to do push-ups. When are you going to accomplish them by? A specific date, a measurable amount of push-ups. Let's make it attainable. Now, the secret about attainable is that is dependent on your mind. It has to be attainable. So start with maybe smaller steps, as small of a step or as large of a step as you are willing to take to get to the next level. Once you get to that level, you will affirm your belief system and then be able to take it that much further. Realistic. Now, remember, everything is impossible until you make it possible. This phone was impossible. This whiteboard was impossible. The basic phone was impossible. Now we don't do this. We do this for a phone or this. Things change. Impossible becomes possible. Things that were once not realistic become realistic. So start your goals that you believe that they are realistic. This is all dependent on you. The magical I am. What are you telling yourself you are? That is one of the first steps in goal making, is telling yourself who you are. I am. I am amazing. I am phenomenal. I am spectacular. I am capable of anything great. I am capable of infinite potential. I am infinite potential. Time specific or time measurable by time. So how many push-ups can you do? How much money are you going to make? By what time? By what exact increment? Push-ups, speed. Be as specific as possible and make it attainable and realistic until you get to your next goal. Make sure your goals are big enough that they get you motivated. Know why. Why are you doing this? Because without an awesome why, a payoff, a reward, a person that you're going to get affected, a way of life that you're going to become, that you will have certain things, that you will do things differently. You must feel, taste, smell, and hear. Visualize that amazing, goal. You can do it. Tune into ogfit.com for more amazing content and the best calisthenic program in the world. The simplest fitness program in 10 minutes. You will get amazingly fit. Have a great day.